Welcome to Learn CAE channel. In this tutorial, pre-stressed modal analysis of an axial compressor rotor blade will be demonstrated. Let us open Ansys Workbench. Double-click or drag and drop static structural module from the toolbox to create the structural analysis model. Right-click geometry and import the rotor blade CAD model. Let us open mechanical platform. Now let us specify the mesh parameters for the model and generate the mesh. Coarse mesh is generated for demonstration purpose. Let us fix base portion of the rotor blade and specify a rotational speed condition. In solution, blade deformation and equivalent stress are chosen for evaluation. Once static structural analysis is complete, Modal Toolbox shall be dragged and dropped in the workbench layout. Ensure that, while dropping the Modal Analysis Toolbox, the solution part of static structural is shared with Modal Setup section. You can observe pre-stress option enabled in section B5. Choose the number of modes to be evaluated and start the simulation. The fundamental frequency values of rotor blade with pre-stressed condition is tabulated in the results. Comment and subscribe.